What if I told you there's an affiliate marketing strategy so simple, so unfair, it honestly feels like cheating? In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact method I use to automate sales, grow my email list, and make money online using just two tools, Flowdesk and DeepSeek. Stick around because once you see how this works, you'll never look at affiliate marketing the same way again. And also guys, don't forget that I have the ultimate affiliate marketing guide for beginners for completely free. You can click on the link down in the description below and download this full guide that is 52 pages long. It has 17 5-star ratings, almost 300 downloads already, and people seem to like this free affiliate marketing guide because I cannot explain you everything in this one video, but if you actually want to dive deeper into this affiliate marketing journey, you can start with this free product. Okay, now let's go back to my Pinterest account, and this is a Pinterest account that I use for video creating purposes. It is not in one niche. I create a bunch of different videos in here. But what I want to show you guys, that's how you actually test. You start with different niches and you see what works. For example, let's find another one. Amazon Milkmaid dresses. These are just dresses from Amazon. Take a look at the impressions and clicks. Also might be a good niche. If you scroll up, I don't see too many impressions. And just take a look at this one. I posted this pretty recently and I created a video on this exact pin, and this is in the fitness and exercise niche. In this exact one, we were promoting a foam roller core workout, and this is basically a video from TikTok with a muted sound, and I added subtitles. And take a look at the impressions. It gained some traction already, and it doesn't 100% guarantee that it will be a winner niche, but it is a good indicator that this might be a great niche actually. Let's go to TikTok and find our video. Once you are on TikTok, click on the search tab and just type in workout without gym foam roller. And now you can find a bunch of videos on that topic. So let's see, for example, this video had a lot of impressions. This one also 190k views. This looks awesome, and it actually compares Pilates reformer versus foam roller. Pretty cool, and people might be interested in this exact video because you actually can see that you can use this $10 foam roller and use it in your home just for $10. So yeah, you can scroll through the videos, you can download a lot of them. For this example, I'll be choosing this video because it has a voiceover, and I'll show you how you can even improve this video. To download it, just copy the link of this video, go to snaptik.app, and this tool actually completely removes the unwanted watermarks from the TikTok. Now, once your video is downloaded, we're gonna use this tool that I showed you in the last video that is called Veed.io. You can use this tool for free. You can also find the link down in the description below, and you'll get an extra discount if you choose to purchase the subscription of this tool, because in just a moment you'll see why would you need that. Just take a look at this. You can create new projects, record videos, create an avatars, create clips. You can either do AI dubbing and create AI to text videos. So let's click on this AI edit section. You can basically create AI text to video. So that basically means you input your prompt and AI creates video specifically on that prompt. For example, I tested it before. I clicked on the viral TikTok videos just like this and clicked on the generate video. And now I'll show you the outcome, and take a look at this video.
Ever wondered what makes a TikTok video go viral? It's all about that hook. Grab attention in the first 3 seconds with something unexpected or relatable. Next, keep it short and snappy. 15 to 30 seconds is the sweet spot. Use trending sounds. They can skyrocket your reach. Incorporate popular challenges or dance routines. Everyone loves to join in. And don't forget the power of storytelling. A quick setup, a twist, and a punchline can keep viewers engaged. Editing is key. Fast cuts and eye-catching visuals keep the energy high. Finally, engage with your audience. Ask questions or encourage comments to boost interaction. That's how you turn a simple video into a viral sensation.
Did you see that? It's pretty crazy. It's just an example what you can actually do with this tool. But now we downloaded the video from the TikTok and I'll show what you can do with that. You can click on the create. You can create new project. Click on upload files and upload the video from the TikTok. You can do a bunch of stuff. You can add elements. You can add text. You can even add audio. But now what I want to actually do is to add subtitles. So I'm just clicking on subtitles and choosing the English. By default, it was on English. And I'll be clicking on auto subtitle in English. And now it's generating subtitles. Okay, it took like 10 seconds or even less. And now let's check it out. That's pretty crazy actually. It added subtitles perfectly. Let's add one more emoji. Let's go to elements, click on view all, and let's add a fire emoji just like this. Maybe somewhere over here. Let's do throughout the whole video. You can even improve it by clicking on this timeline on this icon. You can click on animations and for example, let's choose a loop and just choose a jiggle. And if you have a premium subscription, you'll be able to choose a pace of this animation. Now what I want to do is click on done and export this video. Once your video is exported, just click on download and it will be downloaded to your computer. Okay, now let's go back to our Pinterest account, click on create a pin, just like this. Choose the video we downloaded from this tool and just take a look at this. As you can see, we have a watermark of this tool that you used, and to remove it, you can either buy a premium subscription, or that actually doesn't cost too much. But if you just want to try it out for a week or so, there's this one extra step you can actually do. Just go to canva.com, type in Pinterest pin, click on the empty template, and now just upload the video from the Vid.io tool. Upload this video over here, and now it is zoomed in and you don't see this watermark. Just click on the share, click on download, and just download this video once again. Let's go back to our Pinterest account, click on this pen icon, click on replace, and replace it with the video we downloaded from Canva, just like this. It looks awesome. Click on done. If you want to change the thumbnail of this video, click on the edit cover. You basically can choose whichever frame you want to use on the thumbnail image. I just leave it like this. And now for the title and description, this is where you want to add your hashtags and your keywords of this exact niche. So let's go back to this video and let's see arms and abs workout using foam roller. Okay, but also we can get some inspiration from our previous pin. So let's click on open link in new tab. We can click on this pen and now we can see the whole title, and let's copy this whole title. Let's paste it right here and just change the back end of this title. Let's copy once again. Let's go to DeepSeek. This is a free tool that you can use. And let's type in something like this. Create similar title to this one. And paste it the title we copied from our previous pin. And just take a look at the 5 examples. Foam roller, core crushes, 5 moves for rock solid pain-free abs. This one sounds awesome. I'll just copy this one. Let's go back to our example. We can either copy the description or we can do something like this. Just copy this in the prompt box, type in create a description for my Pinterest pin about, and just paste your title just like this. And now DeepSeek AI will generate a description for your exact title. But also you can ask for customization. For example, it is pretty long and I'll ask you to make it shorter, just like this. Just make it shorter. And now just copy all of this description. Go back to your Pinterest account and paste it right here, just like this. Important part is to credit the original creator of that TikTok. So just type in credit at and just copy the name of this creator, just like this. And that's basically how it works. Now let's go back to our example description. I think we had a specific keyword we added. So I want to add this over here also. And okay, everything looks good. Now for the link, in the previous example, what I did, I created an article for if somebody actually wants to check out these 5 exercises, they can click on this title and they are redirected to this medium.com article. And this article has these 5 exercises and also is stuffed with affiliate links. For example, this one right here, ready to transform your apps, grab a foam roller and start today. If somebody clicks on it, they are redirected to purchase this foam roller, this exact foam roller that this girl used in the video. And whoever buys this product, you'll get a commission on that. So that sounds awesome. So I already created this article. I can either copy the link of this article and just paste it over here. But in this video, I want to show you one bonus tip. So that's where we're going to be using Flowdesk. You can sign up with your account, with your Google account. I'll just log in. Now let's go to forms and actually create a new form, aka landing page. You can browse through all of those. You can choose link in bio. You can choose a pop-up, which should be integrated in your website. Actually, you can choose inline. You can either choose full page and video, spinner, and countdown. But in this video, what I'm gonna be choosing is the full page. And let's see what template you want to use. Let's actually stick to the first one. Click on this. Now let's choose a segment. For example, foam roller. Let's click on create and click on save. Now all we need to do is to add an image. So we can go to Google, just type in foam roller exercise. In this template, we need a vertical image. So I would prefer a vertical one. But if you cannot find anything, you can also go to Pexels. Just type in foam roller. Let's see if we can find anything. We can filter, orientation, vertical. And you can download one of these. Once you downloaded your image, just click on upload image and upload it right here. Grab the free guide and this is where you want to customize it. And the thing about landing page, you not only send your traffic to your article, but you also have a chance to collect their email. And once you build your email list, you can start sending them emails every week, and this has the chance of you getting even more commissions. The thing I actually like to do is just take a screenshot of this area. Let's say, let's go to DeepSeek, upload this image just with Ctrl V, paste the image, and just ask it to customize it to your exact needs. In my example, that would be customize it for me to promote foam roller exercises. Now just copy all of these text, grab your free guide, just like this. In this section, let's copy this one right here, just like this. Struggling to get the most out of your foam roller? You're in the right place. Sign up below to receive your free guide with pro tips and exercises to unlock pain-free movement, stronger muscles, and better recovery. First name, email address. Sounds good. Download now. Perfect for beginners and fitness enthusiasts alike. You can add this text. Just do download now and just leave it as is for now. Now your next step is to clicking on this thank you page and clicking on the redirect to URL. If you have your article created already, as I am, I'll just copy this URL and just paste it right here, and this will redirect people to the article that I already created. That sounds awesome. Now what you can do is click on settings, click on the link, and in this section just edit your link. For example, foam roller exercises. Click on save. Also you can click on the link preview and change the image, title, and description. And now all that's left to do is just click on the share. Click on copy and let's test it out. Open up right here. This is what people gonna see once you input their name. For example, their name will be Roller and their email address will be foamroller@gmail.com, and they'll click on the download now and they'll be redirected to this article. Everything looks awesome and works perfectly. So now all that's left to do is just go back to our Pinterest account, paste the link into this area, choose a board. Let's see, I already created a board, I believe, Workout Without Gym. This one also you can add tags. And the last thing that's left to do is just click on publish. And now take a look at this pin. The video looks awesome. They added subtitles, added this fire emoji. Also we have title, description, and we created our landing page and also integrated our article into this landing page. So if you haven't tried this strategy already, I recommend you to do so. And don't forget to check out the free affiliate marketing guide that will help you with these strategies and to get the idea what affiliate marketing actually is and how you can possibly make money with it. But guys, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for future content, and I'll see you in the next video.